Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name's Janelle and I upload new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Also, don't forget to check me out on Instagram at Janelle Mariss. But in today's video, I wanted to share with you guys how you can style blazers for summer. Now, a lot of people, when you think of blazer, you think like business, you think like super professional, but to be honest, there are so many ways that you can style it for summer, for casual wear, for nights out, all of that. So I figured I would share it with you guys. And I think I want to do a series of these types of videos just showing you guys a bunch of different ways to wear staple pieces, and it just allows you to really like elevate and expand your wardrobe without necessarily having to go and buy a bunch of new clothes. Like when you have good staple pieces, you can just look bomb, put together, create a million outfits, but really you just have a few essentials. So if you guys are interested, definitely let me know in the comments down below. If you want to see how to style blazers for summer, then definitely please keep watching. Love you guys. Alright, so the first way I love to style blazers is with biker shorts and running shoes. Here you see such a casual outfit. The second you throw on this blazer, it just completely elevates it and just makes you look way more put together. And you're comfortable, you look put together. This blazer is from Pretty Little Thing. It's so lightweight. I love that it comes down past the butt too. This is like the perfect summer blazer. The color is perfect too. I'm obsessed. I also love pairing blazers with denim shorts. So here you have like a basic summer outfit, black top and some denim shorts. These ones are from Missguided, but look at this. The second you throw that blazer on top, it looks so cute. I have it paired with the same running shoes I was wearing earlier. These are my Nike Air Max 97 or 98s. But it's like a balance of casual and dressy. However, if you wanted to elevate your outfit with denim shorts, you could pair it with like a more dressier top. This one is from Pretty Little Thing. I love the frill on it, and then I just have these Target little chunky sandals. And this is like the perfect brunch outfit. The frilly top really balances out the like structuredness of the blazer. And again, you just look way more put together. Blazers also go perfect with dresses. Again, the same thing I was saying earlier, like when you have something very like dainty and girly and you balance it out with like the structuredness of a blazer, it just like balances the whole outfit out. This dress is from Missguided, and it's just such a spring summer kind of dress. Earlier you couldn't really tell, but I had it paired with heels, but you could also pair the same outfit with some running shoes to dress it down. And here you have like the most boring dress ever. It's just like a simple nude dress from Fashion Nova. But look at this outfit the second you put a blazer on top. Boom, you're just like a fashionista. I have it paired with my Superga espedrilles. These are like my favorite summer shoes for being casual but kind of like dressy at the same time. And this outfit also makes you look so polished because it's monochromatic heels. So these are clear heels from Zara, and I just think that this is like the perfect kind of like date night or night out outfit where you just look so classy. Again, monochromatic, and the heels just really elevate it even more. I love blazers with distressed denim, especially like mom jeans. These are my Levi wedgie fits, and they're just super rugged. And I have it also paired with this like very dainty lace top. So you have the ruggedness of the jeans, you have like a soft dainty finish with the top, and then you just bring back some of that edginess with the blazer, and you just look like you know what you're doing in life. I have it paired with the same clear heels from Zara, and I think this is like another good like date night outfit. And you could pair that same outfit with the Superga espadrilles I had on earlier, or honestly any running shoes. And again, you have that balance of like casual, dressy, and you look like you know what you're doing. You're comfortable, but you just look way more put together. I love blazers with leather pants. I feel like they go hand in hand. Leather pants are just so edgy, and then the blazer just gives you some more edginess, but like, I don't know, structure. So I also have this with that same like soft lace top to kind of soften everything up, and then the same clear nude heels. This is literally like my go-to kind of outfit for like a girl's day or like a girl's dinner day or a date night with my husband. Like, I feel like this outfit, I just feel so put together. It's so simple. It looks like I tried so hard, but really I'm just styling some super basic pieces. This is the same outfit, but with like a more softer nude top. This just fits with that whole monochromatic vibe. This is definitely, to me, more like almost like business chic, but like the leather pants just balance it out too and make it not like you're going to the office. But I just love this for like a more structured, sleek kind of look with the blazer. Oh, and the top is from Zara as well. I also thought it's so cute to pair blazers with denim skirts. When you think of denim skirts, you think like, I don't know, just like a casual summer outfit, but you throw a blazer on and holy moly, it really elevates everything. I have it paired with that same Zara top and then the Zara clear nude heels. And again, this would be more of like a dressier brunch kind of option. But in a second, I'm going to show you how you can pair this same exact look with running shoes, and you gotta just wait and see how it balances out. You have like the girliness of the skirt, the structuredness of the blazer, and then like the sportiness of the running shoes. Somehow it works together and you just look way more elevated for summer. Me awkwardly posing. Alright you guys, so that wraps it up for this video on some of the different ways that you can style a blazer this summer. If you guys did enjoy this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Let me know if there's anything else you want to see me style a bunch of different ways. And you know what? That way you can make the most out of your wardrobe the second you get out of quarantine. I love you guys. I pray that you'll stay safe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!